We all deserve access to health and the ability to live productive, active lives. Achieving optimal, equitable health and well-being for all, though, takes work. But it's a challenge public health professionals across the country are ready to take on with the support of the American Public Health Association. Now here in Minneapolis, this community is coming together for the APHA annual meeting, and we're APHA TV. Welcome to Minneapolis and the American Public Health Association 2024 annual meeting. I'm Dina Baer. I'll be your host for APHA TV. We are covering the incredible work of public health professionals advocating for public health issues and policy backed in science. It's all amid the backdrop of this year's theme, rebuilding trust in public health and science, and it's the focus of our first episode.
I don't know that if it's public health that folk don't trust. I think we have to be honest and say that it's probably some of those bad players that are at the table. So it's not public health, it's folk who are doing stupid stuff.
Building trust starts with community engagement. This year's APHA president shares her experience working with communities in Flint, Michigan to show how trust can be rebuilt.
What we are seeing is that the consequences of this erosion of trust in health professionals, in our science establishment, means that people are not as willing as we wish they were to follow and use evidence in making personally appropriate health choices and decisions for themselves, their families, and unfortunately for the communities in which they live.
And we sit down with plenary speaker Reed Tuckson to hear how he's bringing together the whole health ecosystem to ensure we work together to address myths about health and improve equitable access to services. All this week, we'll be traveling the country to find out what's happening in public health for the 2024 APHA TV film series.
What guides our work? It's culture. It's the values of respect and reciprocity, love, forgiveness, and healing. It's those values that have withstood 10,000 years. It's time to make them loud.
We visit Wabanaki Public Health and Wellness to hear how they're confronting centuries of trauma at the hands of government to rebuild trust in the services they provide. We also take a look at the Atlanta Long COVID Collaborative, check out the Reach St. Louis project, and discover the movement for well-being and equity in the world. You'll find all of this content and much more via the APHA TV YouTube playlist. Head to the list and watch the pieces you're most interested in. It's all there. It's time to get started. Click the link right here to head to the playlist and start watching. We're about to dive deeply into the world of public health, and we can't wait to find out all about the incredible, life-changing work this community is doing. Enjoy the show.